Hello lovelies, product review day, and today I'm looking at a processed product. I don't look at many processed products from the point of view of foods that I'm going to be eating, but I saw this on the shelf and I thought, let me give that a go. And it was actually quite delicious. They sort of puffed up and rose up like, pikelets. And I was really impressed with all of the ingredients. So the main ingredient is mung bean flour. And then it's got some sea salt, which is made from all types of vegetables as well. Very similar to something like herbamare. And then it's got some garlic powder, onion powder, cream of tartar, baking soda, and turmeric. And it's organic. So yeah, it was really delicious. And foods like these can provide you with a really good emergency meal. Now, this isn't going to feed a family of, actually it might feed a family of 4, especially if you had it with a lot of salad and you put it in some wraps. It might be a really easy lunchtime meal. I was thinking more for camping. Just add water and cook it on your barbecue. It was, really, really easy. So sometimes these products, if all the ingredients tick the box and it's not too expensive, to be honest, I can't remember how much it cost. But yeah, it caught my eye. It was very palatable. Sometimes these things aren't, but yeah, it was quite palatable. It didn't have an overriding flavour of any description, but of course, what you added to it, you took on the flavours of those in the wrap or however you're going to eat it. You could have actually even chopped it up and put it in a salad. So yeah, sometimes these things can be handy, especially for emergency meals and camping, or when you want something quick and easy. So I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, pop them below and have a great day.